Question number 101. When a man having sex with a woman, even with her consent, and is said to commit rape, if the age of the woman is less than, correct answer is 18 years. If the age of woman is less than 80 years, even she is the wife of that person, then it will be amount to rape. Question number 102. In which of the following cases doctrine of mens rea is not applicable? Options are theft, murder, public nuisance, thug. Correct answer is public nuisance. In bigamy also mens rea will not be applicable. Question number 103. The maxim doli incapax under IPC is an exception to the criminal liability in which of the following sections? Options are Section 80, Section 82, Section 83, Section 88. Correct answer is Section 82. Question number 104. In which of the following section of IPC deals with the solitary confinement? Solitary confinement is provided in under Section 73 of the IPC. Question number 105. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India has held that Section 303 of IPC ultra vires of Article 14 and Article 21 of the Constitution? Correct answer is Mittu versus State of Punjab. This is also a very important question. Question number 106. A police officer tortures Z in order to induce Z to confess that he has committed crime. A is guilty of an offence of Section 325 IPC, Section 326 IPC, Section 330 IPC, Section 331 IPC. Correct answer is Section 330 of IPC. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Option R, mens rea, R versus Prince. This is the correctly match. This case is related to mens rea. Necessity, R versus Dudley and Stephen. This is also the correct match because it is related to necessity. Insanity, McNaughton case. This is also very important case and this is the correct match. Hence, the last option, intoxication, Basudev versus State of Pepso. This is not the correct match. Therefore, will be the correct answer. In intoxication category, if DPP versus Beard was given, that it would have been the correct answer. Question number 108. In which of the following section of IPC rash and negligent driving of vehicle on public way is an offence? Correct answer is Section 279. Question number 109. A finds a valuable ring not knowing whom it belongs. A sells it immediately without attempting to discover the owner. What offence had he committed? Theft, extortion, criminal breach of trust, dishonest misappropriation of property. Here the correct answer is dishonest misappropriation of property because he has used the property for his own use. Question number 110. Which one of the following is a continuing offence? Abetment, rape, abduction, theft. Correct answer is abduction. Abduction comes into the category of continuing offence. Question number 111. Match the following. Attempt to commit culpable homicide. Correct answer is Section 308 IPC. Attempt to commit suicide. Correct answer is Section 309 IPC. Assault. Correct answer is Section 351 of IPC. Abduction Section 362 of IPC. Therefore, the correct answer will be option D. Question number 112. Assertion. A soldier fires on a mob by the order of a superior officer in conformity with the commands of law. A has committed no offence. Reason. Nothing is an offence which is done by a person who is bound by law to do it. Quotes both A and R correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Yes, this will be the right answer. Question number 113. Director Public Prosecution versus Beard is a leading case in which one of the following? Correct answer is intoxication. This I have already discussed in other question. Question number 114. In the term of rigorous imprisonment shall not exceed 6 months, then the maximum period of solitary confinement shall be, correct answer is 1 month. Question number 115. Which one of the following section of Police Act 1860 has been repealed? Options are Section 44, Section 35, Section 28, Section 11. Correct answer is Section 11. Section 11 of the Police Act 1861 has been repealed. Question number 116. The statutory powers of the Inspector General of Police under Section 7 of the Police Act 1861 is subject to Article 309 of the Constitution of India, Article 226 of the Constitution of India, Article 311 of the Constitution of India, Article 390 of the Constitution of India. Correct answer is Article 311 of the Constitution of India. Question number 117. No police officer shall engage in an employment other than his duties under the Police Act 1861 unless expressly permitted to do so in writing by the District Magistrate, Deputy Inspector General of Police, Inspector General of Police, Senior Superintendent of Police. Correct answer is Inspector General of Police. Question number 118. Under which sections of the Police Act 1861, state government is empowered to deploy additional police force in a distressed or critical district? Correct answer is Section 15. In Section 15, state government is empowered to deploy additional police force in a distressed and critical district. Question number 119. Which one of the following is not the correct match? Options are Armed Police, Chapter 6, Mounted Police, Chapter 8, Village Police, Chapter 9, Investigation, Chapter. Here, this is not given properly. So, D will be the correct answer because it has been asked which of the following is not correctly matched. Other three, Armed Police, Mounted Police and Village Police are the correct match. Question number 120. According to para 170 of UP Police Regulation, public prosecutor will inspect Malkhana once in a year, once in 6 months, once in 3 months, once in a month. Correct answer is once in a month. It is the duty of the public prosecutor to inspect Malkhana once in a month under para 170 of UP Police Regulation. Question number 121. Which of the following provision of UP police regulation is related to the gang register? Options are para 250, para 251, para 252, para 253. Correct answer is para 253. It is related to gang register. Question number 122. Match the following and choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Section 272. Section 272 is related to the language of the court. Section 2 clause D. The definition of complaint is given. Section 321, withdrawal from prosecution. Section 257, withdrawal of complaint. Correct answer therefore will be option C. Question number 123. In which case the Supreme Court has determined that under Section 125 of the CRPC, a married daughter having sufficient independent and self means is liable to maintenance of her husbands. Options are Revati Bai versus Jageshwar, Vijaya Manohar Arbat versus Keshav Raja Ram. Option Sudeep Chaudhary versus Radha Chaudhary, Bhure versus Gomti Bai. Correct answer is option B, that is Vijaya Manohar Arbat versus Kashirao Rajaram. This is the correct answer. Here it has been held that under Section 125 of CRPC, a married daughter having sufficient independent and self means is liable for maintenance of her parents. Question number 124. Which of the following offences punishable under section of IPC are not compoundable under Section 320 of the Criminal Procedure Code? Options are Section 298, Section 323, Section 427, Section 390. Correct answer is Section 390. Question number 125. By which of the following amendments the provision of Section 438 of the CRPC has been revived in Uttar Pradesh? Options are the Code of Criminal Procedure, Uttar Pradesh Amendment Act 1976, the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, the Code of Criminal Procedure Uttar Pradesh Amendment Act 2018. This is the correct answer. Here, by this amendment, the Section 430 of CRPC revived in UP. Section 438 of CRPC is related to anticipatory bail.